It's Risen Star Week here at Fairgrounds, everyone. Blaise Bollman coming to you from one of my favorite places at a racetrack. Some people say it's the grandstand, the apron, the backside. For me, it's a track kitchen. So I'm going to welcome you here to the Fairgrounds Track Kitchen. I've already had breakfast, to be honest. I've had a nice breakfast egg burrito. It was delicious. Made by these cooks here who work very hard every day to provide great service to the backside community. Making my way through. I'm here. I got Stephanie. She was hooking it up today. Stephanie, how are you?
Good, and you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Great breakfast today. Thanks for hooking it up with the breakfast burrito.
That's great.
Made me some fresh coffee. I really appreciate that.
We make every fresh coffee every day.
Love to hear that. So, quick one for you. What's probably the most popular food item you serve every day here?
Tacos.
Tacos de qué? Tacos what kind?
Steak.
Steak? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll take that. Do the guys go for the spicy salsa, the mild?
Of course, all of them like the muffalo, then like the green one.
The green one?
Yeah.
I thought the red one was a little hotter, but your green was good.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, well, cool. So great service here. ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien.
Qué bueno. Qué bueno. All right, we'll make our way down. We got the coffee, like I said. Make your way down here. We got cappuccino, hot chocolate. They got all the accoutrement for your sopes. And then we come here to Trixie. Before you check out, you got to meet Trixie. You got to pay your tab. Right, Trixie?
Hi, how are you?
Doing good. How long have you been here?
About 7 years.
7 years. Previously, before, you were working at racetrack as well?
Yes, at Arlington Park.
Awesome.
Yes.
And, you just don't serve food. I also look back here. I got jockey boots. I got a little convenience store vibe. I'm looking at maybe some Alka-Seltzer for, those bloated bellies, the hangovers. So, everything's looking sharp. Everything's looking good. How much are the boots, by the way? What did you sell me a pair of those jock boots for?
$250.
$250? Whoa, I better hit a pick 5 or something. All right, so just a couple things about your customers here, your clientele. Who eats the most?
From our customers?
Yeah.
We have Victor, which he retired already, but he was here day and night every day from open to close eating all the time. He used to work for Mr. Sturgis.
Okay, awesome. Historical man there.
Yeah.
And then what would you say, who's the pickiest eater?
You know what? Now that I mentioned, I did think of someone else, but no, Mr. Sturgis to coin. He has to be one of our pickiest eaters.
All right.
But he's here every day, for sure. It doesn't matter.
It seems like you know quite a few people here. You know them all by name, nickname, whatnot?
Mm-hmm, yes.
Okay. And who's some of your favorite customers? I know Gilbert just left. We just missed him.
That sucker. Well, I love all my customers, actually. They all have something special or different to bring every day. So I can't say I have my favorite customer because everybody has something different, special in them every day either. Whether they're complaining or they love the food or they just come because they're sad or they want something to drink just to chill for a while. So.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. It's a very chill vibe here. I showed up this morning. Part of me was welcomed with open arms and smiley faces. And, you kind of understood some of my Spanglish, so I appreciate that. And, I just want to say, everybody, you're here at the Fairgrounds for Risen Star Weekend. Make your way to the Track Kitchen, talk to Trixie, talk to Stephanie, and